Great quotes of Mother Teresa. Peace begins with a smile. We fear the future because we are wasting today. When you don't have anything, then you have everything. Profound joy of the heart is like a magnet that indicates the path of life. Love begins by taking care of the closest ones, the ones at home. Let us always meet each other with a smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. Some people come in our life as blessings. Some come in your life as lessons. If you find happiness, people may be jealous. Be happy anyway. A life not lived for others is not a life. I prefer you to make mistakes in kindness than work miracles in unkindness. Love is a fruit in season at all times and within reach of every hand. Work without love is slavery. I want you to be concerned about your next door neighbor. Do you know your next door neighbor? Be happy in the moment, that's enough. Each moment is all we need, not more. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment.
Thank you for watching. Hope you will like the video I created for you. Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.